Have you ever experienced a toothache that disrupts your daily life and hinders your concentration? It's a situation that can be incredibly bothersome. But did you know there are a few natural remedies and simple home methods that can help alleviate the pain before you can see a dentist? They're easy to implement and can provide a bit of temporary relief. So don't let that toothache steal your smile. Stay tuned as we explore 10 simple ways to help relieve your toothache in 10 minutes. First on our list is the Saltwater Rinse. This simple yet effective home remedy can provide immediate relief from toothaches. Here's how you do it. Dissolve 1 teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water. Once the salt is thoroughly mixed in, take a generous sip and swish it around your mouth for about 30 seconds before spitting it out. Now you might be wondering, why salt water? Well, salt is a natural disinfectant that helps to clean the area around the tooth and draw out some of the fluid causing the swelling. It can also soothe sensitive gum tissue and help to reduce inflammation. Remember, while this rinse can help to alleviate discomfort, it's not a permanent solution. It's always important to seek professional dental care if your toothache persists. The saltwater rinse can provide immediate relief for your toothache. It's a helpful first step in managing toothache discomfort until you can get to your dentist. Next up we have garlic. A common kitchen ingredient, garlic is much more than just a flavor enhancer. It's a natural antiseptic and pain reliever, making it a handy ally in the battle against toothache. Garlic contains a compound called allicin, which is responsible for its potent antimicrobial properties. These properties can help kill bacteria that might be causing your toothache, providing some much-needed relief. To use garlic for toothache, you'll need to crush a fresh clove to release the allicin. Apply the crushed garlic directly to the affected area, being careful not to swallow it. If the flavor is too intense, you can mix the crushed garlic with a few drops of water to create a paste. Leave it on for a few minutes, then rinse your mouth with warm water. Remember, the taste might be strong, but the relief it brings can be significant. Garlic can effectively reduce toothache with its natural healing properties. The third method involves using clove oil. Clove oil is a natural remedy that has been used for centuries to alleviate toothache. It contains a compound called eugenol, which has potent analgesic and antiseptic properties. This means it can numb the painful area and reduce the risk of infection. Now, to apply clove oil, you'll need a cotton swab. Just add a few drops of the oil onto it, then gently apply it to the affected area. Be sure not to swallow it, as it can cause a burning sensation if ingested. You should start to feel a numbing effect almost immediately. Repeat this process as necessary, but remember, this is a temporary solution. If your toothache persists, it's crucial to consult a dentist. Clove oil can help reduce inflammation and pain. Our fourth method is applying a cold compress. A cold compress can be your best friend when it comes to toothaches. It works by reducing swelling and inflammation in the affected area. This in turn can significantly decrease the pain you're feeling. Now, how do we go about this? It's simple. All you need to do is wrap some ice cubes in a thin cloth. Then, place this homemade cold compress against your cheek, right where the pain is. Keep it there for about 15 to 20 minutes. Remember to take breaks in between to avoid frostbite. You can repeat this process as often as necessary to keep the pain at bay. It's a simple, natural, and affordable way to get some immediate relief from a toothache. A cold compress can provide immediate relief from toothache. The fifth method involves using apple cider vinegar. Now, apple cider vinegar has been a go-to home remedy for various health issues for centuries. It's packed with anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties, making it a great tool for dealing with toothaches. It can help to kill bacteria in the mouth and reduce inflammation that's causing the toothache. To prepare an apple cider vinegar rinse, you just need to combine 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar with a glass of warm water. Stir it well to ensure the vinegar is fully diluted. Now, use this mixture to rinse your mouth for about a minute. Be sure to spit it out once done, and don't swallow it. If the taste is a bit too strong for you, feel free to rinse your mouth with plain water afterwards. It's a simple yet effective way to get some relief from a toothache. Apple cider vinegar can help kill bacteria and reduce toothache. The sixth method involves using aloe vera. This plant is known for its soothing and healing properties, which can be particularly beneficial when dealing with a toothache. Aloe vera gel, the clear, jelly-like substance found in the inner part of the aloe leaf, can help alleviate toothache by reducing inflammation and soothing the affected area. To use aloe vera for a toothache, you'll want to apply the gel directly to the painful area. This can be done by dipping a cotton swab into the gel and then gently applying it to your tooth and gums. Be sure to cover the entire affected area. After application, try to avoid eating or drinking for about 20 minutes to allow the gel to do its work. Remember, while aloe vera can provide temporary relief, it's not a substitute for proper dental care. Aloe vera can help reduce inflammation and pain. Our seventh method is using ginger. This root is not just a flavoring agent for your favorite dishes, but it also holds natural pain-relieving properties that can work wonders on a toothache. Ginger contains a bioactive compound named gingerol, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects. These properties help to reduce swelling and pain, providing relief from discomfort. To use ginger for toothache, you have a couple of options. First, you can chew a piece of raw ginger. Ensure you bite down on it with the tooth that's causing you discomfort. The juice released from the ginger will help to numb the pain and reduce inflammation. Alternatively, you could opt for a warm cup of ginger tea. The warmth of the tea will soothe your aching tooth, and the ginger in the tea will work its magic to alleviate the pain. Ginger can help alleviate toothache with its natural pain-relieving properties. The eighth method involves using peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is known for its cooling and numbing effects, which can provide instant relief from toothache. Its analgesic properties can help in reducing pain and inflammation. Moreover, the menthol present in peppermint oil has antibacterial properties which can help in killing bacteria that may cause tooth decay or gum disease. To use peppermint oil for toothache, you will need a few drops of this oil and a cotton swab. Dip the swab in the oil and apply it gently to the affected area. Be careful not to swallow the oil. You can apply it every few hours or as needed. However, remember that this is a temporary solution, and if your toothache persists, it's important to see a dentist. So the next time you find yourself battling a stubborn toothache, consider reaching for that small bottle of peppermint oil in your medicine cabinet. Peppermint oil can provide a cooling and numbing effect to alleviate toothache. The ninth method involves using black pepper. Now you might be surprised to hear this, but black pepper isn't just for seasoning your meals. It's also a natural anti-inflammatory and pain reliever, making it a handy ally in the fight against toothache. How does it work, you ask? Well, black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. To use black pepper for toothache relief, it's as simple as making a rinse. Start by boiling a cup of water, then add a teaspoon of black pepper. Allow it to steep for about 5 minutes. Once it's cool enough to handle, use it as a rinse, swishing it around in your mouth for around a minute before spitting it out. Repeat this a couple of times a day, and you might just find your toothache easing. Remember, black pepper can help reduce inflammation and pain. Our final method is using dental floss. Gum inflammation can often be a sneaky cause of toothache. When food particles become lodged between the teeth, they can irritate the gums and lead to inflammation, resulting in discomfort and pain. Dental floss is a simple and effective tool for removing these particles and keeping your gums healthy. To use dental floss, you'll want to cut off a piece of about 18 inches. Wrap most of it around your middle fingers, leaving about 2 inches to work with. Slide the floss gently between your teeth, following the curve of each tooth to avoid damaging your gums. Remember, flossing isn't just an up and down motion. You want to contour the floss around the side of each tooth, removing plaque and particles. Regular use of dental floss not only helps in maintaining good oral hygiene, but can also prevent gum inflammation and the associated toothache. Dental floss can help prevent gum inflammation and toothache. To recap, these are the 10 simple ways to help relieve your toothache in 10 minutes. From the soothing effect of a saltwater rinse to the analgesic properties of clove oil, each of these home remedies can offer temporary relief. Don't forget the importance of regular brushing and flossing to prevent toothaches in the first place. Remember, if your toothache continues or becomes severe, it is important to see a dentist as soon as possible. Your dentist can diagnose the cause of your toothache and administer the necessary treatment.